What's up, guys? Today, we've been shanty boating a couple days. We just pulled the boat out, headed back home. We're trying to put all this footage together. Hope y'all enjoyed a little shanty boat adventure. It was our first cruise. It got cold. Had really hot weather the first 2 days, and then it got cool. So we had a good time. We cooked some fish, caught some fish, camped out. We piled up in the boat. I think there was 7, 8 of us piled up in there sleeping with the kids. That was a hot night. We had the air conditioner on. Me and Noah stayed on it the first night by ourselves. It slept really good. Good, comfortable boat. Been a long weekend, but let me get all this footage up for you, and hope y'all enjoy it. Shanty boat. Back in the shanty, and let's get it, dude. What do you think, Noah? Fun out. Fun. What's up, guys? Shanty boat. Got the shanty boat in. I'm tugging it to where we're going today until we get a motor. But this is where I grew up, on the Wateree River. See him? Somebody left a bush hook in the water and we pulled it up. Look at this. He's on there a while, wasn't he? Yeah, look at his ass. Look at the mud on it.
Bro, you saw our ugly thing.
Landley. Landley, what you got here? What is that, Landley? Are y'all ready? Go! Go! Whee! Come on, Linda! Y'all watch her.
Y'all should running.
Go, Linda.
Go, Linda, go. One.
Whee!
Get up.
Grape juice.
Huh?
Grape juice.
We on the YouTube. On back. On back. Oh, water feels nice. Well, we got the boat in the water, and this is what we built it for. Enjoy it.
Hey, Daddy.
Tonight we're gonna try to catch some fish. Definitely tomorrow night.
Dad, watch
We're gonna do a catch, clean, and cook.
Watch this.
Yep, bush hooking series. Dawson, we're gonna catch a bunch of catfish tonight, tomorrow night. This is Memorial Day weekend. Look at the little puppy. We plan on staying here. Today's Thursday.
We're
gonna stay tonight, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. Go home Monday.
We're gonna stay here for 4 days.
Yeah.
It's gonna be epic.
Gonna be what?
It's gonna be epic.
Epic. That current's getting it. Oh, boat looks good. I got to tighten up. Right, Noah. Cool that. Shanty boat. We out here Shanty boating. Brother's leaving. Come back tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, boy. See you in the morning. We finally got the boat wired up. Got the AC in. Got the lights on. Gonna let it cool off. We're about to eat some dinner. Take a bath in the river. Take a bath in the river. And then we're gonna clean out the boat and get the camp set up. Get the bed set up so we can get a good night's sleep. All right. Hard to see it, but these boys bow fishing. Oh, let's see if I can get some fish. Night one. Very long night. It wasn't too bad. Worst part was I had to wait. See what the water's doing. The water came up. I didn't want the boat dry docking on the sandbar. Sleep good, bud? No. Yeah, you did. You ain't moved all night. But I was up about every 2 hours getting the boat ready. Pushing out, pushing out. But tonight I know where I got it tied up now, so tonight if it comes up, it goes back down, it'll just stay where it's at now. So tonight we'll be able to sleep all night. Ready to catch some fish. Morning one, he talked me into getting breakfast. Get to the Mickey D's. We didn't bring anything yesterday. We was such a rush to cook breakfast. So try to get some stuff today. Let Rachel bring it. She's gonna bring Matthew down. Let's go catch some fish.
My feet.
Huh? She's a big girl. We got her, boy. Easy now. Oh my God. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Yeah. You was right. I'm a 2. Catching fish, Noah? Huh? So we out here on the island, clearing off a little spot. We'll get it ready for the summer. We'll hang our hammocks and tents for the kids, table for cooking. But check this out, I'll do it before and after. This is what it looks like now. And we like these big sandbars willows. It keeps shade because it gets hot down here in South Carolina. It's scorching. But I'll show you once we get tents and I'll set up in hammocks. What's up, boy? You gonna be on YouTube? Y'all TV star? where we're gonna cook at. Where the kids are swinging. My view. What was that? Like AJ do? And more fillets from the day and yesterday. Potatoes. Catfish. Hot dogs for the youngins. Matthew.